In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email large PDF files in Gmail. This will be an incredibly useful skill, especially if you frequently work with large documents and need to share them with others. So let's dive in and break down the process step by step. First, let's start by navigating to your web browser's search feature. In the search bar, you want to input the phrase, "How to email large PDF files in Gmail." By doing so, you'll find a variety of resources and guides, but our focus today is on providing you with a streamlined, efficient method using Gmail's built-in tools. Once you've gathered the information and feel ready to begin, open up your Gmail account. For those of you who might be new to using Gmail, it's as simple as typing mail.google.com into your browser and signing in with your account credentials. Now, here's where it starts getting interesting. After you've accessed your inbox, locate the Compose button, typically situated on the left side of the screen. Clicking this will open a new message window where you can start crafting your email. In the To field, enter the email address of the recipient you wish to send the large PDF to. With your email draft in place, now comes the crucial part, attaching your large PDF file. Gmail imposes a maximum attachment size limit of 25 MB, so if your PDF exceeds this, you'll need to use Google Drive. Fortunately, Gmail is integrated seamlessly with Google Drive, making this part simple and convenient. To attach the large PDF file using Google Drive, look for the Google Drive icon at the bottom of your email draft window. It should appear alongside other familiar icons like the attachment and emoji buttons. Click on it. A new window will pop up showing your Google Drive files. If your large PDF is already saved in Google Drive, simply locate it, select the file, and click the Insert button. If it isn't yet in your drive, you'll need to upload it first. This can be done by selecting the Upload option and following the prompts to choose the file from your computer. Once the file is attached via Google Drive, you might notice a link will automatically be included in your email. This allows your recipient to simply click on the link and view or download the PDF without any hassle. Before sending, it's a good idea to double-check your draft to ensure everything looks correct. Consider using the CC or BCC fields for additional recipients, or add a brief message to provide context for the attachment. Also, confirm that the permissions for the Google Drive file are set correctly to allow the recipient to access it without issues. Finally, click Send. And there you have it, a quick and effective method to email large PDF files using Gmail. I hope this guide helps you streamline your email tasks and makes sharing large documents a breeze. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more of our tutorials for helpful tips and tricks.